Think about the most important call you could ever receive, a call from your family, your doctor, or even 911. Now imagine your phone screen displays that dreaded no service message. You can't make the call, you can't get online, and you feel totally cut off. This isn't a hypothetical nightmare for many Canadians. This is what happens when a massive provider like Rogers, which also runs Fido, experiences a major network failure. For millions of Canadians, Rogers and Fido aren't just a phone company, they're the internet that connects their smart homes, the debit system that runs their businesses, and the line to emergency services. When the service drops, the impact ripples far beyond an annoying dropped call. We're talking about a significant national event. First and most critically, emergency services. During past outages, people on the Rogers and Fido networks couldn't dial 911, or their calls failed to connect to operators. When seconds count, not having that reliable link is terrifying and potentially life-threatening. Police and fire services have issued public warnings, urging people to find a landline or use a neighbor's non-Rogers phone. Second, the economy grinds to a halt. Rogers is deeply tied into the infrastructure for Interac, the system that processes most debit card transactions across Canada. No Rogers service? Many businesses, from corner stores to major retailers, are suddenly unable to accept debit payments. This isn't just an inconvenience, it causes significant financial loss and paralyzes commerce nationwide. Third, the total digital shutdown. The service loss is comprehensive. It means no cellular data, no home internet, and no cable TV. Suddenly, working from home stops, kids can't access online learning, and even government services that rely on the network are disrupted. Passport offices, call centers, and even local city services like traffic signal timing, which in some cities depend on their cellular network, go offline. So, not having Rogers or Fido service means more than a lost signal bar. It's a systemic shock to Canada's essential infrastructure, affecting personal safety, economic activity, and basic connectivity. It highlights a major vulnerability in having so much of our country's critical services rely on a single, interconnected network. It forces everyone to ask, how reliable is our connection, and what is our plan B? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.